Hello, my name is Muhammad Syafie from class DTP5A. For this presentation, I will be explaining my project. The title of my project is the 3D die design project. We start with introduction. Tool and die is an important process in manufacturing that focuses on cutting, shaping, and forming metal parts into specific designs. It plays a big role in industries such as automotive, electronic, and appliances where precision is a very important. In this project, I focus on designing and simulating a die using computer-aided design or CAD software. This helped me to understand and how dies are developed and tested before actual production. So now we move to objective. The main objective of this project are to design a 3D model of die using CAD software and to understand the function of its components such as punch, cavity, ejector, and guide mechanism. I also aim to apply proper design principle and tolerance, perform simulation and analysis to check stress and deformation, and finally produce detailed technical drawing and an exploited view of the die assembly. So now we move to tool and die overview in simple terms. A tool is any device used for manufacturing such as jigs, fixture, or mold. A die, on the other hand, is a specific type of tool used for cutting or shaping materials into precious forms. There are two main types of dies. First, cutting dies, which remove material, and forming dies, which shape the material without removing it. Both tools and dies are essential in producing both small and large components in manufacturing. So now we move to die cutting operations. There are several die cutting operations involved in the tool and die process. Blanking is used to cut flat shapes like coins or washes. Pursing involves punching holes into the metal. Launching allows partial cutting and bending, such as making ventilation slots. Cutting off or putting is used to separate parts from a strip. Notching is used for remove a portion at the edge or corner of a sheet. Shaving provides smooth and accurate edge, while trimming removes excess material after forming. These processes work together to ensure the final product is accurate and high quality. Okay, so now we move to types of die in manufacturing. There are many types of die used in manufacturing. Blanking dies, pursing dies, bending dies, forming dies, drawing dies, progressive dies, and combination dies. Okay, so now we move to types of die in manufacturing. There are many types of die used in manufacturing. Blanking dies, pursing dies, bending dies, forming dies, drawing dies, progressive dies, and combination dies. So now we move to complete die design. The complete die design process involves planning, developing, and creating the die that will be used in mass production. It focuses on product geometry, material selection, and strength to ensure that die performs well. So now we move to 3D design of blanking dies. For this project, I designed a blanking die using CAD software. It allows us to visualize the die structure before it is physically made. It helps in identifying potential design issue early, improves precision, and reduce manufacturing error. Now we move to discussion. This project has given me a deeper understanding of the die design process and importance of precision in manufacturing. Through the use of CAD software and simulation, I was able to visualize and test the structure of the die, which improved my design accuracy. I also learned how different die components work together during the manufacturing process. Although I faced some challenge in ensuring precious fits and proper alignment, I managed to solve them through repeated adjustments and analysis. Overall, this experience helped me strengthen both my problem solving and technical design skill. Lastly, we move to conclusion. In conclusion, this 3D die design project has allowed me to experience the complete process of designing, modeling, and understanding the function of a die. I was able to apply theoretical knowledge from class into a practical design using CAD tools. This project improved my understanding of manufacturing system and the importance of accuracy and efficiency in die design. It also taught me valuable skill that I can see and use in future engineering work, especially in the field of mechanical design. Thank you.